What I'm going to attempt to do is open this SAS hardened shackle disc detainer lock, and the way I'm going to do that is use this disc detainer pick. The way that this works basically is this leading edge fits into the plug of the lock. The extending arms allow me to apply tension to the plug, and the centerpiece is the actual pick. Now, as you can see, this moves freely forwards and backwards and side to side. And basically what we're going to do is just pick each individual disc, hopefully get them in the correct sequence of alignment. If we can manage that, then the lock will open. Now, I've spoken to one or two people to get some advice on the best way to tackle this, and Solomon has given me good advice. Also Jay gave me very good advice with reference to the leading edge of this pick which fits into the plug. He did tell me not to insert it fully because it may be obstructing the first disc. So taking that advice on board, what I've done, I've come up with a rubber washer, place it over the pick. That sits nicely into the bell housing of the lock, and thereby stopping this going too far into the plug. So I'm just going to show you now that it is a fully operational lock. Sit open, and that's it in the lock position. With the disc detainer, before we pick it, what we've got to do is zero all the disc in the keyway. And the way to do that, take a tension wrench, doesn't matter what it is, as long as it fits into the keyway. Insert it to the rear, turn it clockwise and remove it. The discs now are all aligned, and I can now shove the pick into the lock. So I've shoved it all the way to the back. Apply not too much tension to the plug. Obviously you've got to have a little bit, but don't overdo it. And all I'm doing now, I'm just feeling where these discs are as I'm moving it down the lock, and just feeling for binding disc. If I can get any, that is. And this certainly keeps you on your toes, because like now, you see the pick, I've turned the disc, but the pick won't go further forward, so I'm just going to ease off on the tension a tad, reapply tension once the pick has gone past the disc that I set, and hopefully we will manage to get this disc open. It would be nice, I must admit. It's a bit of a problem trying to get it past those discs without resetting it. Set. Applying a little bit more tension now, because I feel I need to get a little bit better feedback as to what's happening with the disc. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, it is no good whatsoever forcing this disc, because this pick, although it looks tough, it is quite delicate really. So it's no good pressure, or putting it under pressure and yanking it round, because all you'll end up doing is breaking the pick. And to to my mind that's just a pointless exercise really, because you'll end up buying another one. So just take your time. You've got to have a little bit of patience, because unless you're an expert on these things, you know, it is trial and error. Nothing is as simple as it may appear. Now, I would love this thing to open, but I've spent many a happy hour trying to get this thing to give, and you just don't want to know. It's like me, awkward. The disc is feeling as if they're in their set positions, but the thing wants to give. So obviously I've got something not set quite right. Try and check it like this. This is difficult, trying to hold this at this angle. Seriously, I was thinking, oh, it'd be nice if I could come on here, put the pick in, and voila, the disc open, but sod's law, it's not going to do that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to reset the disc, because something just doesn't feel right. I may have overset them, and I'm going to start again. So all the way to the back, a little bit of tension, come down the disc. There's this one. This 2. This 3. This 4. This 5. This 6. This 7. I know it's difficult probably for you to see this, but I don't know how else to do it. And I think that is it, ladies and gents. Hell of a job, but it is eventually open, as you can see. Now,